viewers to another episode in a series of episodes that are focused on extensive revision of the August 2023 Mathematics Paper 1. So if you haven't seen other episodes, please go to our YouTube channel and check for playlist that contains these extensive revision of each and every question from this paper. So questions are grouped in according to the paper and the topics. This is important for you, especially if you're struggling with a specific topic. You go to a specific topic, you find a series of questions from different papers as far as 2017. If you are new to this channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider hitting the like button and share with also your colleagues. Let us look at question 9. 9a. In a bag, there are 4 blue marbles, 3 red marbles, and 2 white marbles. What is the probability of picking at random a red marble? So the question asks us to find the probability of picking at random a red marble. So the best way to answer this question is to use the tree diagram. So the first thing is, let us collect the data. So what do we have? So what we have is, we have 4, so the blue marbles are 4. Then the red ones are 3. Then we have the white ones are 2. So that's what we have. So now we've collected all information that we need. So the next thing that we need to do is present this information on a tree diagram. So like that. So let's say this is the blue, then this is the red, then this is the white. So in a box, how many marbles are there? So total marbles are 4 plus 3 plus 2, which is 9. They are 9. So what's the chance that if I pick at random, I would pick a blue one? It will be, how many blues are there? There are 4. So it's 4 out of the available 9. Next, to pick the red ones, it will be 3 which are available, 3 out of 9 the total. So there are 3 red ones. Then white, it will be 2 out of 9. If you add along this branch, you get a 1. So the probability adds up to 1 at any given branch. That's what you need to know. So now in this case, the question is just asking us to find the probability that we pick a red marble. So the red marble, it will just be now 3 over 9, which will simplify to 3 into 3 is a 1, 3 into 9 is a 3. So this becomes our answer, which is 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 is the answer. If the question was probability that we pick at random a blue marble, we are going to go with this one. If it was a white, we are going to go with 2 over 9. What is important is to ensure that at any branch, all the probabilities adds up to 1. So that's how you answer question A. Go to B. B, we are solving the equation. So this equation is 2x squared plus x minus 3 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation. So we just need to look for the product. So the product is 2 multiplied by negative 3. So the product is negative 6. That's the product. The sum is equal to 1. So what are the factors? Two numbers in such a way that when we multiply them, they'll give us negative 6. Then when we add them, they'll give us a 1. So we look for the factors of 6. So we have a 3, because this is a positive, so it will be 3 and negative 2. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Negative 2 plus 3 is a 1, which is x. So whenever we have this x, which is a 1, we substitute with these 2. So we are going to have now, so we're going to have 2x squared minus 2x plus 3x. You notice that this is a special one. Then minus 3 equals 0. Then at this point we separate this into groups, this one and this one into that. So you can factor out what is common between this and this is a 2x. So I can say 2x outside, then 2x into 2x square is x. 2x into negative 2x is a 1, which is negative 1 in this case. Then we move to the next one. So what is common between this one and this one is a 3. So it will be plus 3. 3 into 3x is x. 3 into negative 3 is negative 1. We are going to have that, then this is equal to 0. What is critical is to ensure that this is and these two are the same. If they're not the same, we've made a mistake. Then at this point we have 2x. So we need to factor out what is common. So what is common, you notice that this is common and this is common. So I'm going to have x minus 1 is found in both sides. Then this into this all things, we're going to remain with 2x. So let me use a different color. So this will be 2x. Then this all thing into this one, it will be plus 3. So this is equal to 0. So once you have that, then you're almost done. So you see that this thing is equal to 0 or this second thing is equal to 0. So it's either x minus 1 equals to 0, which one is simplified becomes x is equal to 1, or second case where we are saying 2x plus 3 equals 0. When simplified, this becomes now 2x is equal to negative 3 when it crosses the equal sign. Then when this positive 3 crosses the equal sign, it becomes a negative. Then you can divide by 2 by 2. So x is equal to negative 3 over 2. So we have x is equal to 1 or x is equal to negative 3 over 2. So once you do that, you are good to go and you get these 2 marks.